Next station, Ubay Central. Station berikutnya, Ubay Central. You have arrived at your destination.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Selamat datang ke Ubay Central, guys. Hari ni kita punya tetamu sangat-sangat istimewa sebab saya tengah edit podcast tadi. Lepas tu dia datang kat saya, bro, jom podcast. Jadi terjadilah podcast ini. So kita bersama dengan Chef Y.
Saya tak tahu.
Hai Seti, are you okay?
Yes, tak reti.
Huh?
Tak. Macam tu lah.
Macam tu lah, okay. So, apa-apa pun, selamat datang ke Ubay Central. Okay?
Okay.
Welcome to Ubay Central.
Yes.
So, first of all, may I know your name, please?
My name is Seth Wise and your name is Muhammad Ubaidillah.
Wait, satu-satu. Satu-satu.
Okay.
Awak cakap nama awak je, full name, okay?
My name is Seth Wise
Ben?
bin Muhammad Ubaidillah.
Oh, how old are you, man?
7 years old. I'm 24 kilo.
Oh, 24 kilo. Tak tanya pun, tapi jawab. Okay, 24 kilo. How high is your height? How tall are you?
Like 24 only.
Oh, 24 only. Okay. So, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Are you good?
Yes.
Are you good boy or bad boy?
Good boy,
Good boy. You good boy like?
Papa.
Like papa. Yes, alhamdulillah ya.
Ya, tapi masalahnya ikhlas ni.
Huh?
Masalahnya ikhlas.
Ni ikhlas.
Ya.
Mana beli? Where do you get this shirt?
From Uncle Ilyas.
Uncle Ilyas bagi you.
Ya.
Oh, okay, good.
Semat dekat PWTC Kuala Lumpur.
Oh, okay. Itu hari raya, guys. So, dia dapat baju ni daripada kami, ya. Bisnes saya dengan Ilyas. Alhamdulillah. Saya rasa macam nervous pula. Awak relax, eh?
Ya, relax.
Okay, so, may I know where you come from?
I come from Malaysia, so I always Jin always bring me to the playground lah.
Oh, playground. Jin tu helper, guys. Okay, lagi?
Tapi dia macam susah lah.
Susah. Okay, what may I know? What is your mother name?
Sheila Amza.
Your mother is Sheila Hamzah?
Yeah.
Oh, what is your mother work?
As a singer in the concert, like in Genting Highland, but next month now.
Next month in Genting Highland, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, baik. Promo. Nampak? Why your mother always go to China?
Because I don't want my mom to go to China anymore.
Why?
Because my mom always go to China.
Oh, go to China always, eh?
Yeah.
What do you mom? What your mom do at the China?
My mom give me food in a Shanghai restaurant.
Oh, okay. So, what your mom do in the China? Is she singing?
She singing all around in the concert.
Oh,
But I'm not happy in the concert.
oh, you're not happy in the concert?
Yeah. So busy.
So busy. You tak suka bising-bising lah.
Ya, saya tak suka lah.
Oh yeah, may I know what is your father name?
Muhammad Ubaidillah. That means it's you.
Oh, that's me. It's me. Okay. Okay. Your father work as what?
My father work like watching my podcast and editing your podcast only.
Oh, lagi your father buat apa?
My father had a lot of business and money.
And money.
Yeah.
How much money do your father have?
Like 1,000 ringgit.
1,000 ringgit.
Yeah.
Oh.
And how about like 1,000,000 ringgit?
1,000,000. Oh, your father kaya, eh?
Ya, kaya.
Lagi your father buat apa dekat rumah?
Selalu buat saya happy.
Buat saya
Tapi if saya nakal, papa saya punish saya.
Punish.
Boom.
Boom.
Ya, dekat buntut saya.
Dekat buntut. Oh, so kalau awak buat nakal, papa awak akan punish awak lah dekat buntut.
Ya.
Okay, so self-wise,
Yes.
saya dapat tahu kan,
Ya.
awak ni seorang kanak-kanak autism, betul ke?
Ya, saya autism level 2 in this year. Tapi autism level 1 2025 saja.
Oh, so you dah naik, makin hari makin naik level autism you
Ya.
Tapi papa rasa macam makin turun. Kenapa you cakap makin naik?
Ya. Tahu. Saya makin naik dekat autism level 2 lah sikit.
Oh.
Tapi sikit je.
Okay guys, dia autism level 1, tapi dia ingat year by year dia akan naik level 2, level 3, level 4. So basically self-wise ni is a mild autism level 1. Betul?
Ya. What?
You seorang je ke autism?
Saya tak seorang. Saya ada awak autism level 1 saja.
Saya level berapa?
1.
Saya level 1.
Ya.
Okay. Mama level?
Level macam founder lah.
Mama founder autism. Okay, so are you happy with your family now?
Saya happy.
Relax. Okay lah, kita nak tanya beberapa soalan lah dekat Seti, okay?
Yelah.
Kita akan tanya tentang dunia dan juga macam-macam.
Tapi macam-macam semalam papa saya ada cikgu.
Okay, ada cikgu datang rumah lagi?
Ya, tapi cikgunya ada kereta.
Cikgu tu ada kereta?
Ya, tapi hari ni macam busy lah.
Oh, papa macam busy semalam?
Ya, busy.
Siapa lagi busy? Papa ke mama?
Papa.
Papa selalu keluar ke?
Ya, selalu keluar busy tapi mama tak busy. Mama busy ni nak singa tapi mama busy. Nak macam singa Lazim macam tu ni. Spine je.
Okay, Pak korang kena faham-faham lah apa dia cakap, apa dia borak. I have a question for you.
Yes.
Okay, Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo, you are a best friend as Ronaldo.
Yes. Papa is Ronaldo best friend?
Yes.
Oh, dahsyat. Why you don't choose Messi?
Because Messi is an Argentina. If you eat football, Messi again, and then Ronaldo will beat Messi in Portugal versus Argentina FIFA World Cup, bro.
Oh, yeah, bro. Oh, so you sokong Portugal lah?
Ya, sebenarnya sokong Portugal. Tapi Aunty Mia, Jude Bellingham.
Jude Bellingham?
Ya.
Oh, makcik dia sokong Jude Bellingham. Oh, so tapi Argentina dah kalah lah. Spain juara.
Ya, Spain juara. Norway lawan Brazil. Norway dekat right side 2. Tapi Brazil 1 je. Satu take. Brazil ada take 1 tapi Norway Haaland ada take 2.
Oh, so Haaland menang lah.
Ya, Haaland menang.
Okay, Seti. Nanti kan Seti kan?
Ya.
Bila you dah besar,
Ya.
you nak jadi apa?
Nak cari Ronaldo.
You nak jadi Ronaldo?
Ya.
Kenapa you nak jadi Ronaldo?
Sebab Ronaldo Portugal.
Oh.
Saya ni nak tengok Portugal ni. Macam tu.
Oh, so you want to be a football player?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you want to be a construction worker.
But I be a construction worker at 2036, bro.
Oh, 2036 you be a construction worker.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
Dekat sekolah you kan?
Yeah.
You ada berapa ramai kawan?
Like 28 kawan.
28 kawan.
Ya, tapi teacher saya ada banyak sekarang ni.
Teacher ada banyak?
Ya.
So you nanti apa dekat sekolah you? Siapa nama best friend you?
Adika ni new student. Dia datang situ
Adika nama dia.
Ya.
Oh, Adika is a new student.
Ya, tapi dia
Dia lelaki ke perempuan?
lelaki lah.
Oh, okay.
Salah ni. Tapi Arik ni
Arik.
Ya, Arik ada adik.
Arik ada adik.
Ya.
Oh, Arik umur berapa?
Autism je lah.
Oh, dia pun autism.
Ya, punya autism tapi level 2 je.
Oh, dia level 2.
Ya, tapi bukan founder.
Oh, bukan founder. Siapa founder? Founder siapa?
Mama.
Mama founder autism. Yeah. Okay, talk about your mama.
Yes.
May I know what is your favorite song?
My favorite song.
Tak, you punya favorite song. Apa dia? Memori Tercipta ke? Patah Seribu ke? Tinggal
Patah
Kenang?
Seribu lah.
Patah Seribu.
Ya.
Kenapa you suka Patah Seribu?
Sebab ni tak reti ke.
Okay, you suka lagu Patah Seribu.
Ya.
Boleh tak you nyanyi sikit Patah Seribu?
Patah seribu hatiku. Na 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 na. Sekarang itu lagi.
Wey.
Tarsil lah. Tapi saya cakap muat.
Okay, so itu Patah Seribu.
Ya, Patah Seribu.
Memori Tercipta?
Memori Tercipta. Saya dah nyanyi dah. Podcast ni soal.
Macam mana nyanyi lagu Memori Tercipta?
Di sini jua memori tercipta, lawan surga tika terjalan kasih kita. Mungkin di sini kita akan berpisah, mendagan bersama, tiada ku lupa.
Wow. You have a lot of talent, bro.
Ya, bro.
I just want to tell you, you're the best. You're the best. Salam. You're the best. Oh, you're the best, bro. So sekarang ni Seti, kita nak tanya Seti lah kan.
Yelah.
What club do you support?
Saya support macam futsal dekat FIFA World Cup. Saya suka FIFA World Cup. Tapi dekat sekolah saya CCA tapi physical education memang dia macam sikit je.
Oh, maksudnya dekat sekolah awak dia PJK guys. Saya PJK. So,
Ya.
awak tak suka physical education?
Yo, saya tak suka.
Kenapa?
Susah.
Susah?
Yo.
Dekat physical education ni awak kena buat apa?
Saya kena practice
Okay.
time ni.
Oh, what practice do you do?
I practice something like macam tu lah.
Horse riding?
Horse riding CCA lah.
Oh, CCA. Okay. Sorry. Jangan marah. Jangan emosi, bro.
Physical education just play macam being in the cone dah.
Oh, okay. Dia seorang je faham guys. Okay. Yang kita.
So, kawan saya ada kawan saya lah.
Okay. Relax. Jangan kuat sangat. Okay. Dekat rumah Seti,
Ya.
you selalu bergaduh dengan siapa?
Bia. So, Ria fight with me. Each other, I fight. We each other fight.
Oh, you fight dengan Ria Akira.
Yelah.
Siapa Ria Akira ni?
Sangat nakal lah.
No, who is Ria Akira, bro?
My sister lah.
Oh, your sister. Do you love your sister?
Yes.
How much do you love your sister?
Like so much.
How much you love your mother?
So much.
How much you love your father?
So much.
Okay, why do you love your father?
Because my father loves me, and then my father had lots of money, and then my father loves me so much. So much.
Oh, so your father love you so much?
Yes.
Ya ke?
You?
you rasa your father sayang you ke sayang Ria Akira?
Sayang saya.
Sayang awak?
Ya.
Oh, you dekat rumah kan? Siapa lagi garang? Mama ke papa?
Papa.
Papa garang?
Ya. Tapi Antia lagi garang.
Antia tu adik saya guys. Oh, Antia garang
Ya. Antia tu, is that your sister?
Yeah, that's my sister.
When you're small?
Yeah, when I small, when I big, when I old, she will always be my sister. You lagi suka keluar dengan papa ke dengan mama?
Mama.
You suka keluar dengan mama?
Ya, tapi Papa so fast tau your car. Cik Ubay. Change engine lah.
Yeah, I already changed my engine.
Yeah.
So that's why very fast.
Yeah, very fast.
Oh.
But Mama car is so slow.
So slow.
The Ima so really super slow.
Oh, so you like go out with papa or mama?
Papa.
Oh, papa pula.
Yeah.
Because why? Papa go very fast.
Yes.
So you like fast lah.
Yeah.
Oh.
If you go fast with the Kawasaki, it will be too large for you to go at racetrack.
Oh, yesterday I go to the racetrack.
Yes.
I go to the racetrack yesterday and I try the Kawasaki,
Yeah.
the BMW and Ducati.
Ducati.
Yeah.
Bugatti.
Ducati.
Ducati.
Yes.
Bugatti lah.
Oh, Bugatti. Bugatti is a car.
Ya.
Ducati is a motorcycle.
Bugatti lah. Bugatti kena beli lah dekat repair shop macam tu.
Oh, papa kena beli Bugatti.
Ya, beli Bugatti. Lepas tu BMW Bugatti tu dia macam tu lah. Saya tahu Tesla ni. Saya tak tahu Tesla ni. Tahu entah lah.
Dia je faham apa dia cakap guys. So Ducati, Bugatti,
Do
Tesla.
not close your eyes.
Oh, okay. So itu yang apa yang ada dalam fikiran dia, itulah dia guys. So
Do not blink your eyes again.
Okay,
If you,
okay.
why you blink your eyes?
I blink my eyes because I need help.
Wah, do not blink your eyes again. Like a light you blink.
Okay, sorry. Okay guys, kita berehat seketika, kembali selepas ini. Yeah, selamat kembali guys. Okay, sedih. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is nasi and ikan. Tapi pink with salmon, really best catch pink salmon lah. Really best tu dekat Alaska lah.
Oh, you kuat makan salmon.
Ya, kuat makan salmon.
Oh, banyak modal
Ya, modal memang banyak. What?
Jangan jerit-jerit. Okay, so Seti, what is your hobby?
My hobby is dancing.
Dancing.
Yeah.
Oh, you like to dancing?
Yeah.
Oh, what? Okay.
Ciao.
Oh, you really. What is your favorite superhero?
Kicau Lightning McQueen.
Kicau Lightning McQueen.
Yeah.
Is that from the
Cars
movie?
movie.
Cars movie.
Yeah. Cars 2 like Cars 4 and then Cars 3 and then Cars on the road macam dengan meter lah. Lepas tu Cruz Ramirez ni dia macam speedy lah. Tapi lama McQueen ni suka pergi Radiator Springs Road 66 tu dekat Yusa dekat Radiator Springs POV tu. So dia ada Lightning McQueen, lepas tu Sally, dia macam tu lah.
Oh, dahsyat ya. Papa tengah tengok you punya soalan-soalan ni. Sebab macam you bila tanya satu banyak merepek lah.
Ya.
You duduk. You tak apa. Okay, in your family kan, siapa paling you close, you rapat?
Rapat saya close dekat situ.
Ya, tahu awak memang rapat dengan pintu tu. Maksud papa, who is your best friend at your home?
Papa lah.
Oh, papa.
Tahu lah.
Okay, you rapat dengan papa. Saya Google soalan kan, apa nak tanya dia ni sebab dia makin melalut kan.
Tak tahulah.
Okay, Siti. You ada girlfriend ke?
Tak lah.
Oh, jangan marah. Nanti you nak kahwin umur berapa?
Umur 7 lah.
Okay, awak jujur lah, okay?
Ya.
Apa?
Umur 7.
Umur 7.
Ya.
Umur 7 tu umur berapa?
Umur 37 lah.
Oh, 37.
Ya.
Oh.
Tapi 7, tapi 37.
Oh, 37.
Ya.
Oh, itu umur yang awak nak kahwin lah nanti.
Ya.
Okay, you suka perempuan macam mana?
Perempuan macam sikit je lah.
Sikit je.
Ya.
Oh, awak tak suka perempuan banyak-banyak?
Ya.
Pening kan? Perempuan pening kan?
Ya.
Jangan marah. Jangan main benda tu. Relax. Okay, what makes you sad?
What makes me sad? Maybe let me think first.
Okay, you think first. Lama sangat tu. What makes you sad?
Because Mama is in the grave. Like I give Mama flowers and then Atias uncle, like Atias satu. But Atia Semut Zulkifli, your dad. And
My dad.
Atias dad.
Oh, so you will be sad if Mama go to the grave.
Yeah.
And then Atok go to the grave,
Yeah.
Antia go to the grave.
Atia no go to the grave.
Why?
Because Atia still here.
Oh, still here. Okay. Let's say if one day
Yeah.
Papa die.
Is this just a story?
Yeah, it's just a story.
Yeah.
If Papa die,
Yes.
what will you do?
I will give you flowers in the grave.
Are you will be sad?
Yeah.
Awak sedih ke kalau Papa dah meninggal dunia?
Yes.
Kalau
I think so.
kalau Mama go,
Mama go. I want Mama to come to me.
if Papa go,
I want you to come to me.
nanti kalau Papa dengan Mama dah tak ada kan,
Yeah.
siapa akan jaga you?
I will take care of myself.
Oh, so Mama and Papa can go
Where?
to the heaven.
Yes.
So you want Papa and Mama go to the heaven lah.
Yeah.
Sebab why Papa and Mama go to the heaven?
Because I like Mama and Papa to go to the heaven. Always, 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 always.
Siapa? Okay, if Mama and Papa go to the heaven, who will go to the hell? Okay, itu kita terpaksa mute guys sebab itulah. Okay, why do people go to the hell?
Because the people wants to beat someone.
Oh, if the people pukul you, if the people if the people bad boy, they will go to the hell.
Yes. In the Jannah.
In the Jannah.
Yeah, the Jannah. The place where they go is Islam people.
Islam people only go.
Yeah.
Oh.
Not always you go to Jannah. As in, if you FIFA World Cup here, can also.
FIFA World Cup also go to Jannah.
Yeah.
Oh. Pelik betul ni. Okey lah Siti Papas ni dah tak tahu nak tanya you apa ni kan. Sebab guys, kalau korang ada soalan yang boleh tanya dia ni kan, korang boleh isikan di ruangan komen tu. Hai, saya pun pening dengan dia ni. If you have a lot of money, you nak beli apa?
Nak beli toys macam squishy.
Lagi?
Ni, macam tu lah. Macam leher, macam ni tapi tu je. Dunia je.
Saya stres lah guys. Dia macam ni lah guys. Autism ni dia punya spektrum tu lain-lain. Aduh. So dia subjektif. So kita nak pukul rata all the autism attitude sama pun tak boleh. Macam tengok dia ni. Dia macam ni lah, kita kena layan dia. Kena always buat dia happy. And then kalau tempat bising pun dia tak boleh nak apa ni bising sangat kan. Betul tak?
Betul.
Okay, lepas ni awak nak makan apa?
Makan macam roti je.
Makan roti?
Ya.
Awak suka makan roti ke?
Yelah.
Oh ya, jangan marah. Papa tanya.
Yelah. Saya asking lah ni.
Oh, asking for roti. Okay. Okay, Siti. You nak pergi negara mana?
Negara Malaysia.
No. Where you want to holiday?
Maybe I wanna go for that one lah, for like staying at home.
Stay at home.
Yes.
Or you don't want to go out?
Yeah.
Oh, introvert.
Yeah, introvert lah.
Okay, baik. Apa lagi nak tanya ni Okay, Siti. Kalau awak jadi animal, what animal you want to be?
I want to be a grizzly bear catching pink salmon.
Jadi salmon?
Yeah.
Kenapa?
Sebab I like to catch pink salmon when I'm a grizzly bear.
Oh, grizzly bear catch up. Oh, okay, faham. Okay, you pandang kamera. You buat muka handsome sikit. Betul handsome lah budak ni. Okay lah Siti, Papa rasa dah banyak lah soalan. Papa tanya, Papa pusing apa semua. You pun dah ngantuk kan? Tadi nak sangat podcast. Saya tengah edit lepas tu edit podcast ni, dia macam, Papa jom podcast. Jadi inilah dia terjadinya podcast ni. So Siti, do you have anything you want to say to the audience?
Yeah, so it was just like one. So tapi dia macam tu lah.
You nak cakap apa dekat peminat you?
Tapi peminat saya, dia macam Bank Muamalat.
Bank Muamalat?
Dia Bank Muamalat macam tu ni.
Bukan. Saya baru buat review dengan dia. Bank Muamalat. Bukan. Dia macam ni. What do you want to say to your fans? Macam, thank you for supporting me. Saya sangat berterima kasih dan sebagainya. Jangan menguap. So, what do you want to say to your fans out there?
Thanks for letting me do podcast. So much you. So, once upon a time, there was me living in Jannah. And then my dad came instead. And then my mom came. And then here comes the sky. Wanted to be raining, and then so I go to the Jannah home. And then it was still raining, and then if it's night, I cannot see.
So you dream about Jannah?
Yeah.
Oh, you will be in Jannah?
No, I think I said it's just a story.
Oh, it's a story. Okay. But do you want to be in Jannah?
Yes.
Okay. So if you want to be in Jannah, you have to be a good people.
Okay.
Because only good people will go to the Jannah, inshallah.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Alright. So you have to, if you want to be a good people, you have to?
Solat.
Okay. And then?
Read Quran.
And then?
Respect people.
Do you love to solat?
Yes.
You selalu solat dengan siapa?
Dengan everyone in my school.
Dekat rumah you solat dengan siapa?
Saya solat dengan papa lah.
So if you want to be a good people,
Yes.
if you want to be in Jannah, in heaven, you have to do what Allah said.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So you have to be a good
Ball.
macam tu lah guys podcast ni sekejap je sebab dia baru kan new player coming, so kita boleh tanya beberapa soalan itu je. So can we wrap this?
We can rap out on this day.
So sampai sini saja, okay?
Okay.
So nanti kita akan kembali ke episod-episod yang seterusnya lah.
Ya.
Boleh?
Okay, dekat evening lah.
Oh, evening ni nak shoot lagi?
Ya.
Oh, dahsyat dia ni.
Lama tau. Ada 3 episod. Lepas tu jump out 2 episod. Lepas tu jump out last 1 episod lagi.
Okay,
Lepas tu habis.
Okay lah, saya pun dah penat ni guys melayan dia. Dan terima kasih, thanks for watching kepada anda di luar sana kerana menyokong karya-karya saya di Ubay Central ni bersama anak saya, lepas tu bersama rakan saya, sahabat saya Ilyas. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Kita dalam proses untuk ke 100k subscribers dan jangan juga lupa.
Wait. I want to say something. If you want to go in Jannah, subscribe to Jannah channel. If you subscribe to my kids song with Ria Pot, so my Ria sing all around with me. So yesterday I sing with Ria. So I already boring lah to sing with Ria. So Ria doesn't cry anymore. So I was really settled lah. Settle.
Okay. Semalam dia nyanyi dengan adik dia. Okay. So kalau nak masuk Jannah, kena subscribe channel ni dia cakap. Kan?
Yeah.
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Itu saja daripada saya dan juga Seti. Dan ada jodoh, kita akan bertemu lagi di dalam Ubay Central.
Why is Central?
Ubay Central.